Okay, we got our holes drilled. We set our screws here for the moment. We're going to go ahead and glue our stick in. Put a few nails in here to hold this together and so it doesn't come loose. Now we can see how the mouth fits. We've attached our spring and the string here. I'm using 1¼ inch screws for this, is plenty. Tap it in here temporarily. See, now the mouth opens well. We've got our 1/4 inch dowel that we had cut. That's going to get attached here. Put that in and we'll... Good, good. Okay, what I'm going to have to do is sand this down a little bit on the sides because it's kind of catching. Then we're going to take this and we're going to glue this right in here. It's got to be sanded a little bit right in here. And a little on this side. Mark it there. And I'm going to mark this here. So we got this where we want it. This is going to work good. The mouth is going to work good. So now I will leave that piece in there and I'll unscrew it at this point since I had the top bar set. I'm going to sand that down a little bit and then we'll be back. If you enjoy my videos and find them helpful, please follow my YouTube page, select like, and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Thank you.